In 2026, smartphones store almost every part of modern digital life, including banking apps, passwords, private messages, authentication systems, business data, and personal identities. This video focuses strictly on ethical hacking awareness and mobile security research. All tools discussed must only be used for authorized and legal testing. Kali NetHunter transforms Android devices into portable penetration testing environments capable of performing advanced wireless testing, packet capture, HID emulation, and USB-based assessments. The platform supports external adapters and modified Android kernels that extend device capabilities far beyond standard smartphone functionality. Researchers can perform assessments directly from mobile devices without carrying traditional penetration testing laptops everywhere. NetHunter demonstrates how smartphones evolved into powerful mobile cybersecurity toolkits in modern security operations. MobSF is one of the most widely used mobile application analysis frameworks for Android security research. It performs both static and dynamic analysis to identify insecure permissions, exposed APIs, hard-coded secrets, and risky application behaviors. Researchers use MobSF to understand how applications operate internally and identify security weaknesses that may not be visible during normal usage. The framework demonstrates the growing importance of secure mobile application development as apps continue handling increasingly sensitive user information. Frida is a powerful runtime analysis framework that allows researchers to inject scripts directly into mobile applications while they are running. This makes it extremely useful for API interception, reverse engineering, SSL pinning bypass testing, and live behavior analysis. Researchers can inspect hidden application processes, monitor API calls, and analyze internal logic that normally remains invisible to users. Frida highlights an important reality of mobile security in 2026. Applications should never assume their internal behavior cannot be analyzed by experienced researchers. Drozer focuses on identifying insecure Android components, exposed services, weak permissions, and vulnerable content providers inside Android applications. Developers sometimes overlook hidden entry points or misconfigured application components that attackers could potentially abuse. Drozer helps researchers discover those weaknesses before they become serious security problems. The framework demonstrates how Android component security became one of the most important areas of mobile application hardening. Pentest Kit Mobile combines multiple penetration testing utilities directly inside Android devices. It includes scanning features, WOIS lookups, directory discovery tools, SSH functionality, and several lightweight assessment capabilities. Researchers often use tools like Pentest Kit during quick security assessments, where carrying a full laptop setup may not be practical. The framework reflects the rise of mobile-first bug bounty workflows, where smartphones themselves became capable security testing platforms. Burp Suite remains one of the most important tools for mobile application traffic analysis. Using proxy-based workflows, researchers can intercept and inspect mobile traffic between applications and backend systems. This allows analysts to examine APIs, authentication systems, insecure requests, and session management behavior in real time. As modern mobile applications rely heavily on APIs, Burp Suite demonstrates why API security became one of the most critical areas in application security testing during 2026. AndroScanner focuses on Android backend infrastructure analysis by combining static analysis with automated vulnerability detection workflows. The framework examines both application behavior and the connected backend systems supporting mobile services. In many modern applications, backend APIs and cloud infrastructure often become the real attack surface instead of the application itself. AndroScanner highlights how mobile security now extends far beyond the device and into entire connected ecosystems. OWASP-Zap supports automated scanning and API fuzzing workflows for mobile applications. Researchers use it to analyze sessions, headers, authentication behavior, and vulnerability exposure during application testing. The framework is especially useful for identifying insecure API implementations and weak backend communication patterns. OWASP-Zap demonstrates the growing role of automation in modern application security testing as mobile ecosystems become increasingly complex. AutoSec AI represents the growing influence of artificial intelligence inside cybersecurity operations. The platform uses AI-assisted analysis to scan APIs, backend infrastructures, cloud configurations, and mobile ecosystems for security weaknesses. Automation helps researchers accelerate vulnerability discovery workflows and process large environments much faster than traditional manual methods. AutoSec AI reflects how AI became a major force multiplier in cybersecurity testing during 2026. JADX is a popular Android decompilation framework that converts applications into readable source-like structures for analysis and reverse engineering research. Researchers use JADX to inspect permissions, application logic, API calls, hard-coded credentials, and hidden functionality inside Android apps. The framework is widely used during malware analysis and mobile security research because it helps analysts understand how applications behave internally. AI-assisted penetration testing frameworks are becoming increasingly common in modern cybersecurity workflows. These systems help automate reconnaissance, generate testing suggestions, assist with scripting, and accelerate vulnerability analysis. Instead of replacing ethical hackers, AI acts more as a productivity multiplier that helps researchers process information and organize workflows more efficiently. These frameworks demonstrate how automation and AI are reshaping offensive security operations in 2026. Objection works closely with Frida to simplify runtime mobile application analysis workflows. It supports memory inspection, SSL pinning bypass testing, Android root detection analysis, and iOS jailbreak assessment workflows. Researchers use Objection to automate many advanced mobile testing tasks that would otherwise require complex manual scripting. The toolkit demonstrates how mobile assessment workflows became increasingly automated and efficient for security researchers. In 2026, smartphones became one of the biggest cybersecurity targets because they now contain enormous amounts of personal and business information. But all mobile security tools must only be used ethically, responsibly, and in authorized environments. Understanding mobile security, APIs, backend ecosystems, and privacy risks is becoming increasingly important in today's digital world.